Hey guys, for today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to see old Google Maps streets. With this tutorial, you're going to be able to see Google Maps from the past. So, go ahead and find your chosen place, and then once you're there, you're going to want to tap on the bottom left corner of the screen, which is this square icon with the little rotate thing. So tap on that, and it's going to take you to something like this. So just tap on the place and it's gonna change this, and as you can see, this was taken 3 months ago. See more dates, tap on that, and here you can see all the dates it has been taken. Let's check on 2008. As you can see, all the cars are old and the buildings, but if you go to the future, many things have changed. That was over like 15 years ago. I'm not sure. I think so. So it's pretty cool. You can see the past and how the people lived, and that's pretty much it. As you can see, this is still just a building, a work in progress, and in 2023 it's done. And that's pretty much it. It's that simple. If you think this video was helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. Any comments and suggestions, feel free to comment down below.